Today we're going to build this quick folding laptop table. So let's get to it. Since I'm using construction grade lumber that has a lot of divots and porous and unlevel areas that the mouse would have trouble with, I'm filling it in with this lightweight, you can even see a knot hole there. I'm filling it in with this lightweight spackling compound that you just apply with a credit card and then it sands down real easily before painting. Since the board I'm using is rather long and can't cut it safely on a table saw, I'm going to use a portable circular saw. And several things to know about the cut. First of all, I put down some tape to minimize splintering, and then I'll have this straight edge to clamp there. And also very important is I have two supports, so it's supported on either side of the cut so it won't splinter out and fall over when you're near the end of the cut. And it's still too big to cut it on the table saw, so I'll just use two clamps to hold it down securely and have it hang over the workbench, and then I can cut that strip off. And instead of measuring off, I put the actual base on the table and leaving about 2 inches of overhang. And doing it in this manner, you won't make a measuring mistake. I used the tile saw that I had on hand, but an even simpler, better choice for $36.78 on Amazon would be this Astro Pneumatic Tool 557003. And it's even adjustable height by adjusting these chains, and very simple to fold up. I put this on the front porch to dry, and a bird pooped on it. To allow the top to pivot nearly 360 degrees, I used these 2-hole pipe clamps, 3/4 inches, which I got at Lowe's. There's the number. To make the table easy to latch and unlatch, I use these tool clips, which you can get on Amazon. And they hold place to the top like that.